What's up? It's David, Midlife Crisis. Out here at the Freedom Factory. It's Mclaren, Garrett's place. It's my first time out here. I'm out here to see it's my buddy Anthony and his Mustang GT350 driver mod on Instagram and YouTube. So out here for the Spectator Drags. This is going to be pretty cool. It's the first time out here. Can't wait. So check out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you. Anthony, the driver mod, got here. I'm waiting for him. He's gonna get me in to the past the spectator point, and then to the pit stands, the pit parking. So thanks to Anthony for that. Get some VIP access. This is pretty awesome. Here we are at the pit area. There's a lot of crazy cars that look like a Camino. You got a Tesla over here, a crazy old Celica, Lotus. Looks like a Mitsubishi GT3000 and an Eclipse, old school Eclipse, lowrider trucks, Corvette, race cars. It's crazy. There's a Evo over here. That Evo, I don't know if you see it from here, but that Evo is one of the fastest cars out here. Out here with Anthony, the driver mod, this 350 GT. So at the beach. Over here we got stock C8. It's a dude with the blue C8. It's got twin turbos. First time I raced at Orlando Speedway, I raced this guy, destroyed me. So this car is sick, dude. If you can see the two turbos right there. Sick. So this is the tech area slash where they're gonna have the drivers meeting at. Right there's Garrett, the Freedom Factory owner. Cletus Mcfarlane on YouTube. So all this guy, him and his crew are basically the ones that make this all possible. It's pretty cool. So, but yeah, this is tech. This is where they're gonna have drivers meeting. Anthony's coming through with the GT350 to get the car inspected.
Drivers, have you guys all been through tech yet? Everybody been through tech? Inline? Some people inline?
They're doing the tech meeting, or drivers meeting right now.
So if you're not inline, stay inline, let's get through. Did everyone who's gone through tech get a wristband? Anyone go through tech and not get a wristband? I only got this. You have wristbands? Yeah. Okay, good.
Alright, so they got done with the drivers meeting. They continued tech. We got Boosted Boys over here on YouTube. This guy is a big deal on YouTube. Got some fire content. Sick, dude. There's Garrett. Said what's up to Anthony. So here we got Anthony in the GT350. What's going on, bro?
Here's the driver.
How you doing, bud? So this is basically how you gotta get inspected and excuse me. There's Garrett. Said what's up to Anthony. So over here's all the Crown Vics for the 2.4 hours of La Mullet. So he gets a bunch of YouTubers. They come out. They all drive these cars and race 2.4 hours long. So. There's Garrett's new Porsche 911 Turbo S he just bought. Oh, I need to get up there and take a look at this. Alright, so sick, dude. It's cool. go.
Oh, he's got to turn his camera on. Big YouTube guy. Okay, here we go. Right out of the gate, Dapplebees with several car lengths. A returning champion is not making to the next round. Cletus going through turn 3, the 0-1, catching up. Lots of speed on the back straight. But Cletus takes it home.
He's got the handling.
Yeah, the Mustang also has some added aero on it. I believe that's a GT350, is that correct?
Yes, it is a GT350.
Side-by-side burnouts. The Supra's got a bug
Alright,
to it.
there's Anthony.
I'm going Supra.
I'm going Mustang.
250.
That's fair.
Who's got the Mustang?
Corey's got the Mustang.
Let's hear it for the GT350. Oh man! Wow! I can't find the gear. Oh, he might come back. He's sandbagged. Here he comes. Poor guy came back. You guys got to give a thumbs up when you're ready. Come on, Corvette!
Oh! Alright, this is round 2. The first race is going on, and the second race is Anthony versus this BMW, the diesel BMW M3. So,
3 Series BMW.
alright, Anthony's going this next
GT350
round.
Mustang.
Yeah, that's
At least the Mustang's got it.
Check out the driver mod on YouTube. Come on, there you go.
The Mustang just has those.
There you go. Yes.
Cletus, a little bit faster through the turn, but just by
Alright, so that's round 2's over with. Anthony's already won 2 rounds. The next round they're going to do best 2 of 3, so you got to win 2 races out of the 3 before you can move on to the finals. So, so far it's pretty awesome event. Stay tuned. Alright, so just found out that Anthony is going to be running Cletus in the next round. So Cletus has got that new 911 Turbo S Porsche. That's a tough race for Anthony. Check out Anthony get ready.
imported German Porsche 911 Cletus McFarland. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes down right now. Three attempts. Come on, Porsche. Come on, Porsche. Oh, no. That was close. Starting off, thumbs up for both drivers. In close right there. The C6 with the speed to the turn to the very east.
Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh my God!
Alright, Tesla versus C6. Maybe that Tesla can hold it off to get the big up the app on the launch. It's over. Yep.
Come on.
Come on, Corvette. Man, that's quick. Here we go, round two. This is to move on to the finals.
so that's it. Event's over. Cletus, Garrett just put on an awesome event. Anthony got to the third round, didn't make it to the final round, and it was pretty cool. A Tesla Model S Plaid basically won the whole thing. So check out the YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.